Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel again. This week I'll be shave testing a set of 7-day case of razors, what was quite fashionable years ago. I'll be shave testing each razor starting today with Monday's razor. So there we have it. Made for Finnigan's of Deansgate in Manchester, England. It's got all the days of the week engraved on each razor from Monday to Sunday. So today we'll be shave testing Mondays, as it's Monday, start of the week, and I'll be doing each razor Monday, Tuesday to Sunday every day. Just to describe the case, it's a burgundy leather, quite considering its age, about 120 years old. It's in really good condition all round, no scratches. There's a bit of tarnishing there on the base, but apart from the rest, it's polished up quite nicely. And the rest of the razors are in really good condition. As you can see, nice and clean. I've honed them to a shave ready condition. Ivory handles, no cracks or splits, so I'm on the first shave test. And the thing is, I don't shave every day, as my skin is quite sensitive. I've tried shaving every day, but it really doesn't work for me. I got very light skin, but my beard is quite heavy, so it's a difficult combination. But I find that just letting it grow every now and again for about a week, that works. But generally, shaving every day, every other day, is best for me. So this week, to demonstrate this beautiful and very unusual set of razors from Finnigan's. Finnigan's was a department store actually made by Brooks and Crooks. So what I'm going to do for this demo is I'll just shave different parts of my face each day, then I'm not irritating my skin. So today, Monday, whatever day it is, I'm going to just take off the beard on the neck. And this is Monday's. Let's have a look at the blade. It says Monday on there anyway, so if you can see. But you'll see better photographs in the Etsy listing. So here we go. That's taken off really nice. It's only a couple of days growth, well, 3. Just give it a second pass. As you can see on the second pass, it's very smooth, and I'm just going all the way down in one stroke. And for you guys who come to subscribe on my YouTube channel, you notice I'm using my left hand to stretch the skin, pull it down like that with your thumb, pull it down and stretch your chin up so it's nice and flat. There we go. So that's Monday's shave test. And all you guys know, when you finish shaving with your blade, always give it a wipe, you know. Careful with the edge, and then just literally just wipe the edge like that and get a nice clean dry towel, and then about 50 laps on a leather strop, and that'll keep your blade nice and clean for probably your lifetime. That's the investment, you know, that's the thing. I've had my razors since 40 years and they're still going strong. You know, that's the whole thing, that's the whole issue with straight razors, they last your lifetime. So they're a good investment. Oh, just one thing. The brush I'm using is a really decent brush. Just rinse it off. It's a Kent. You can buy them online, obviously, you know. Kent from Taylor's of Bond Street, London. It's a H8 Kent. Absolutely fantastic, pure badger brush. And if you're asking the reason why I use a badger brush, it's because badger hair absorbs more moisture and therefore gives you a better lather. And onto lather, I've used this one, Crabtree and Evelyn Sandalwood. Really good soap. However, the one I've used today, I've still used the wooden, well, hang on, I've still used the wooden tub, but I've refilled it. I've used the Evelyn, Crabtree and Evelyn, and I've replaced it with a block of Mitchell's wool fat soap. Really good creamy lather. Even with this Slovenian hard water, it really works. So that's the tip of the day with the soap. Pro Raso is really good, but Mitchell's wool fat is also a good soap. A bit more expensive, obviously, you know, but there you go. Anyway, catch up tomorrow with Tuesday's razor. There's a maker's name, by the way, on the tang. You'll see the pictures on the Etsy listing. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Bye for now.